10 legit ways to make money and passive income online from the comfort of your own home. Hello guys, welcome to this new and exciting money making video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and today you're going to learn how to make money online in 10 different ways by simply using your computer or your smartphone with an internet connection. We're gonna be looking at real sources of active and passive income that you can get from the 10 highest paying websites. And the best part is that with most of these websites, you can make $100 or more a day depending on how much work you put into them, performing the task in your free time. So you can even do them as a side hustle without leaving your 9-to-5 job. So pay close attention to every single second of this short video because I will give you tips and details to make the most money out of each one. But before we actually get into this, if you like making money online, then make sure you go below this video and click on that red subscribe button, then tap the notification bell because we provide every single week the best videos on how to make money online. And also remember to drop a like on this video as well if you enjoyed this content. With all that done, let's jump into our 10 active and passive income ideas. The thing is that on the internet, there are two very different ways of making money. The first and most common way is with active income. The best example of an active income is the salary you get paid at your 9-to-5 job or any other task work that you have to do again and again every day to actually earn that income. So if you stop doing it, then you will stop earning money. Now, the second and for me the best way to make money on the internet is through passive income. The best real-life example of passive income is the money you receive when you have a rental property. So, passive income is the money that you earn in a way that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. But this is once and only once you have done the starting work to set it up. And now let's get into number 10 and count all the way down to the number 1 best website to make cash online. So website number 10 is eBay. Selling your stuff online is by far one of the easiest ways to start making money with zero money to start. I'm sure everyone has a bunch of things they don't use anymore, and I've even met people that have items that are still new and unpacked. So you can start decluttering your home and turning that clutter into real hard passive income cash. All you have to do is select and sort your items, then just Google them to know how much they can sell for. And when you have the most important information and the price, you take pictures of each item from different angles and list them on sites like eBay, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, and Amazon. You can also scale this business idea to the next level and do online flipping. In other words, you can search for free stuff that people are giving away because they're moving or just want to get rid of their stuff. You can find these free items on websites like Craigslist, OfferUp, Letgo, and Facebook Marketplace. And again, you take the best pictures and you release those products that you got for free, give them a price you know you can sell them for, and you can start to earn a good amount of money with a 100% profit. Continuing with our countdown of the best 10 legit ways to make money and passive income online, we have Instagram. If you spend part of your free time scrolling Instagram, then you might love to turn your scrolling time into posting time to start making some really good, sweet passive income. The only thing you need to do to make cash flow for you with Instagram is to create fan pages for anything you would like to post about. And if you want to make the most amount of money, then the best topics you can choose are fashion, food, beauty, travel, and fitness. Now, if you're wondering how many followers you need to have to be able to make a decent money, then the truth is not as many as you think. In fact, I want to share this really great website with you where you will be able to make a lot of money. It's Shutterstock.com. And if we take a look at this chart, you can see how much money these Instagrammers are getting paid again and again just to give a simple shout out. So, if for example, you build an Instagram page of 2,000 to 3,000 followers, which is really easy to do in just a couple of weeks, you're going to be able to sell your shout out for $10 to $15, and you can sell as many shout outs as you want every single day. So all you have to do to start growing your page and get a ton of Instagram followers is mainly to be consistent with the content you post. It's also very important to add your email address in your Instagram bio so you can get sponsors post requests, allowing you to earn more and more money on Instagram as your page keeps on growing. Now, on number 8, we have a website that will allow you to start making online passive income with some valuable treasures you already have stored in your smartphone. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a platform where people buy and sell digital media like pictures, music, and video clips taken and created by them. And while being a photographer or videographer may seem like an active income business, it's actually not. You might also think you need to be a professional to make money on Shutterstock, but you really only need to be creative to take some good shots. And you know, these days, most of us have a lot of experience in taking pictures of everything and have our phone storage full of photos that could be earning us some nice passive income. Because with Shutterstock, you will make money every time someone purchases one of your pictures. So the more pictures, music, and videos you upload to make money, the more money you can make. The best-selling photos are portraits, pictures of food, beautiful landscapes with people on them, and basically just photos with people sell the best. So you see, you got a potential gold mine on your phone, right? Our number 7 proven to be working online in many different forms and extremely well is Amazon Mechanical Turk. The founder of this very well-known online business, Jeff Bezos, is currently the richest man on earth, making billions of dollars. Yes, billions every year. And he is more than willing to accept you into his money-making machine. So if you're interested in getting a piece of this billion-dollar Amazon pie, you get many options to choose from. And I will share with you the top 3 ways that are working best, making tons of active and passive income online for quite a lot of people. The first way is making active income with Amazon Mechanical Turk or mTurk. Amazon mTurk hires people from all around the world to complete tasks like identifying objects in a photo or video, capturing data, filling out surveys, transcribing audio recordings, and similar tasks. You can work on your own schedule and for the amount of time you like, choosing the tasks that interest you and make as much money as you want. On the Amazon Turk website, it's possible to earn more than $100 a week or more than $500 a month. You can transfer your earnings to your bank account or an Amazon.com gift card. Now, at number 6 and our second suggested website to make money side by side Mr. Jeff Bezos, we have Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. A super powerful way in which you can make money with Amazon is by publishing simple Kindle ebooks on their Kindle Direct Publishing website, and this is completely for free. There are millions of people that make thousands of dollars every month by writing short and simple Kindle ebooks on topics that have a high demand but short offer of options to read from. And the best part is that this is a passive income stream that has the potential to grow and add up as you get to publish more and more ebooks. You will see that these ebooks usually sell for $5 or $10, but once you start to get 100 or 200 sales a month, then you will see you will be making a significant amount of passive income with no additional work other than writing in any spare time you have. And you can even scale this business idea to the next level by hiring someone else to write the ebooks for you. This way you will be able to publish more ebooks and thus make more money. Moving forward on our list of 10 legit ways to make money and passive income online, we have Amazon Associates. Our third Amazon option and one of the easiest ways that Jeff Bezos offers you to take part in his billion-dollar empire is by being his Amazon associate. This concept is quite simple. If you decide to enter the Amazon Associates program, you'll be able to make money by promoting almost any product featured on the Amazon website. Now let me show you how simple this method works. Let's go onto YouTube and check out this video titled Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G Review, which was homemade by this amazing lady that is making a killing with Amazon Associates, aka the Amazon Affiliate Program. You see that all she did was talk about the features of her Samsung Galaxy phone. She also took some shots of her phone and showed how it looks and works. Now, if you take a look at the description of this video, you can see here there is a URL or a link that leads to this product on the Amazon website. This link is more exactly called an affiliate link. So every time someone watches this YouTube video and clicks on this affiliate link to get taken to the Amazon website and finally buys this product, the lady that created this video will receive a commission of up to 10% of each of those sales. So to show you the potential of of this method, let's do quick math here. Let's say that only 1% of this 122,056 people that saw this video actually bought the phone, times 1%. That would mean 1,220 sales. And let's suppose that Amazon is giving a 10% commission on this phone, and this percentage varies depending on the product. So just for this example, Amazon would pay $70 per sale. So if we multiply this 1,220 sales times the $70 per sale, then this means that this lady here has made so far $85,400 with just this one YouTube video. And of course, this video is getting more and more views every day, which means this lady is getting more and more passive income as time goes by. Our fourth spot showing you how to make money online belongs to YouTube. As you saw before, YouTube is a great platform that will allow you to earn millions of dollars in many different ways. From affiliate marketing to sponsored videos to ad revenue, you'll find that you can create many great passive income sources from your YouTube channel. The secret to creating a successful YouTube channel is just choosing a topic that you're passionate about and then create content on a consistent schedule. You can create a YouTube channel about anything you like. It could be about cooking or travel or fishing or a motivational channel, you name it. And once you get to 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, then you will also be able to get paid for every single ad that gets shown on each of your videos. So if you're interested in making money with a YouTube channel, you can check out the step-by-step video tutorial that is linked in the description box below to discover all of the secrets to this money-making method. But only after you finish watching this video, because we have more information on how to make money online that could work even better for you. Getting closer to the best legit ways to make money and passive income online, on number 3 we got Clickbank. Clickbank is a platform for digital product creators and affiliate marketers to make money online by selling courses and services to the entire world. Since this marketplace is based around digital products only, the commissions that you can earn here are much higher than what you can get from Amazon. Many creators pay as much as 75 commissions for selling their products, and this is only possible because of the very low costs that are involved in creating a digital product and the fact that these digital products that were created only once can be sold as many times as you want. You can come over to clickbank.com and create your account completely for free. Then choose a product to promote and start making money. You can promote the products on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or your own blog, and on as many online places you can think of. Depending on how you set up your promotional strategy, this can represent an important passive income stream of thousands or even millions of dollars. Now, in our second place of legit ways to make money online, we have, but before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful, and if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get more tips, tools and tutorials for building your real and successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know every time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Okay, now let's get back into this video. Alright, so website number 2 is Upwork. Upwork is a very successful freelance platform that connects millions of freelance professionals with jobs from around the world. This website is a great place for independent contractors to find work and all kinds of tasks required by companies or individuals that need to have this done. And although this is an active income that you will only get if you keep on working, it's one of the best options if you need and want to get faster earning results. And it's also really easy to get started because you can just offer to do the same task or services you perform at your 9-to-5 job, with the huge advantages that you can do these tasks on your own time and without your horrendous boss breathing down your neck. You can sell your services as a secretary, graphic designer, virtual assistant, executive assistant, customer service agent, photo editor, or as a teacher, or as a writer, or as anything that you're already accustomed to doing. It's an easy and fast way to be hired as a freelancer, and you can post your rates and select the projects you want to work on. Best of all is that you can do the work in your free time. And did I mention that you won't be needing to ask this guy permission to go to your doctor's appointment? And now, we have arrived at our number 1 recommended option for legit ways to make money and passive income online, Shopify. Shopify is a commerce platform that allows anyone to set up an online store and sell their products. So using Shopify, you can adopt the famous e-commerce model called dropshipping. Dropshipping is the simplest way in which you can create and operate your own online store without having to create any product, also without having to buy any product nor keep any stock, and without having to do any packing and shipping process either. So basically, with this e-commerce method, all you need to do is choose the products you like and make the sale to earn a small or large profit. The process can be easily explained in these 4 steps. Step 1, your customer places an order from your online store. Then step 2, your store automatically sends the order to your dropshipping supplier. After that, your dropshipping supplier prepares your customer's order, and then the supplier ships the order directly to your customer. Now, to open your online store, you come over to Shopify.com, click on Start Free Trial, follow the creation process to finally link it up with Overflow. Overflow is an app that connects with your Shopify store, allowing you to easily import the products you choose from different suppliers directly into your store, and also handles the shipping straight to your customers. There are over 6,500 Shopify stores using Overflow and have made millions of dollars in sales so far. The best thing about dropshipping is that you get to set your own price for the products you want to sell, and you only pay the supplier once you get a sale. This allows you to earn the difference in prices, which is your profit, without having to do any upfront investment buying products to stock. And now, if you enjoyed this video and want to get even more ideas of easy work-at-home jobs, then click and watch this next video right here to discover 10 websites that will pay you daily within 24 hours. Remember, be different, take action. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.